Today's our topic is balanced chemical equation. To understand this statement, let's have an example. Mg plus O2 MgO. In this equation, you can see the number of atoms of oxygen on left hand side is 2 and that on right hand side is 1. So this section is unbalanced equation. If you multiply MgO by 2, then we have the number of oxygen 2 into 2. So number of atoms of oxygen 2. Here number of atoms of oxygen 2. But if we compare the number of atoms of magnesium, then on right hand side Mg 2 magnesium have 2 atoms, while on left hand side magnesium 1. So multiplying Mg by 2. Now the number of atoms of Mg on left hand side 2 and on right hand side 2. The number of atoms of oxygen on left hand side 2 and on right hand side 2 also. So such type of chemical equation is called balanced chemical equation. Now definition: a chemical equation in which the number of atoms of each element is the same on left hand side and right hand side is called a balanced chemical equation. Second topic, need to balance chemical equation. Why should a chemical equation to be balanced? So answer is the any chemical equation need to balance so that it can follow the law of conservation of mass, or any chemical equation need to balance so that it can satisfy the law of conservation of mass. Now the topic is balancing a chemical equation. How can we balance a chemical equation? In short, we will try to balance a chemical equation. Suppose that we have an equation Fe plus H2O. After the reaction Fe3O4 plus H2. In this equation, we can see the number of atoms of Fe on left hand side 1 and on right hand side 3. So this equation is unbalanced chemical equation. To balance this chemical equation, we have a method named as hit and trial method. But here we will balance this equation in short. So first we will balance the element which has the maximum number of atoms. In this equation, oxygen has maximum number of atoms, 4 atoms. So first we will balance the oxygen. So balancing the oxygen on left hand side, we will multiply H2O by 4. H2O by 4. Now comparing the number of atoms of oxygen on left hand side 4 and here also 4. Now oxygen is balanced, but hydrogen has disbalanced. Number of atoms of hydrogen on left hand side 4 2 ja 8, here 2 only. So multiplying H2 by 4. Now number of atoms of hydrogen on right hand side 4 2 ja 8, here 4 2 ja 8. Now hydrogen is balanced. Again, number of atoms of Fe on right hand side 3, but on left hand side 1. So multiplying Fe by 3. Now comparing the number of atoms of Fe, each element, Fe 3 on left hand side, Fe3 on right hand side, H8 on left hand side, H8 on right hand side, O 4 on left hand side and 4 on right hand side. So this equation is called balanced chemical equation. So today's our topics were balanced chemical equation, second need to balance chemical equation, and third, balancing a chemical equation.